Welcome all to the Dr. Beasley's Clean Room. I am the Director of Success, Chris Ricana, here today to introduce Bead Hero. And these beads are truly heroes because these are the fastest beads in the industry, engineered to keep your paint looking clean and spot-free. This hydrophobic spray has many benefits, including a leisurely, streak-free wipe-off. It also leaves behind a bright, lustrous finish, and most importantly, these beads are not gonna linger, folks. They're gonna fly off your paint, taking contaminants with them. It also is going to keep your paint looking cleaner longer and virtually eliminate water spotting. Now, as far as your process, it doesn't get much easier on the ease of use scale than Bead Hero. It is literally a spray and wipe product, but the more exciting part is the after effects. So a couple pro tips for you guys out there. Number one, this is a 100% inorganic formulation, so it is compatible with all other ceramic coatings, Dr. Beasley's, and everything else that's out there. But I do want to mention, this is also going to perform well on traditional protection methods like wax or polymer sealants. And the second tip is, if you are a professional wanting to work this into your drying process, you can absolutely do that as long as you are using a deionized or reverse osmosis water system. If you have any questions about Bead Hero or any other Dr. Beasley's product, go ahead and contact us at myteam@drbeasleys.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.